So today I am making this cute and easy simple card that I put together. It's not my original idea, but I did change out the stamp set. So the stamp set that we are using is from the Celebration catalog, which is Approaching Perfection. And we're using the Happy Birthday and So What If You're a Year Older, You're Fabulous. Okay. So I'm going to have a project sheet for you, so you don't have to worry about the measurements, because everything is going to be on that project sheet. And okay, so we're going to score our Flirty Flamingo at 4 1/4. 4 1/4. Okay, and I'm just gonna take the bone folder to this just to give it an extra press. Okay. So next, I'm going to take a piece of Mary Merlot. I thought I didn't have any more of this cardstock, but I did, and I'm super happy that I did. And then I have a piece of the Fine Art Designer Series paper. This is some of the most gorgeous paper I have ever seen a day in my life. And you are definitely going to want to make sure that you get yourself a couple of packs before the end of June, when the catalog expires. Okay. Okay, so before I adhere this down to my card base, I'm going to take some of the Fine Art ribbon. And we're going to wrap this around. And we're going to make a knot. But I'm doing a double knot. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and adhere this. I'm gonna use liquid glue. Okay. Alrighty there. Okay, so next, what I'm going to do the inside of the card really quickly, and I'm going to stamp the inside sentiment first. And I'm going to use the Mary Merlot ink. Okay. cleaning out the stamp real quickly. Okay. Center this in. I think my sentiment is a little bit crooked, but it's okay. I'm going to send this to my mother because her birthday is on Friday. Now I cut the inside panel to the same dimensions as the top panel. Okay. So now I need to die cut. But before I do that, I want to do my other sentiment. I'm hoping this is enough. You know what? Let me die cut first, just in case this is not enough paper. Okay, so I'm using my layering oval and my stitched shaped dies, and I'm using the third largest oval. Because I don't remember if I was going to, okay, I think I can. So I'm using the Baby Boss. Now, when you're doing this sandwich, because sometimes, like, I know I've had some issues, so I'm going to do the white, the number 1, the number 2, which is going to be staggered right there. And then when I do the second number 2, it's going to be staggered out. And I've learned that that has helped me get the plates through the machine easier. I don't know why we have to do that. I feel like we shouldn't have to, but I've learned that that's the way it works. Oh, God. Whew. Okay. Oh God, I feel like I should be more talkative. You know, but sometimes I never know what to talk about. So leave me some topics, you know, that you would like to hear me talk about. Cause maybe we can do like a hot topics and crafts. That may be fun. Okay. I think I need to ink up my Flirty Flamingo. Okay. Oops. Clean around this edge. Okay, so that is all the stamping. Okay. And then I'm going to use some dimensionals. Okay. Okay, and then the last thing I'm going to do is take the small blossom punch and punch out a flower using the Mary Merlot. I am also going to pop this up. And I'm going to use a mini dimensional here. I'm going to bring it here. And then lastly, I'm going to add some of the gilded gems. I'm going to stick one. There in the middle. One right there. And I think I'm going to take a little small one and add that right there. Okay. And then there we go. So there is our cute project for today. So thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you get a notification in your email the next time I upload. Alrighty guys, bye-bye.